What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Doc Mac Car channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the trunk struts on my 2006 BMW E90. This particular one is the 330i, but this method will work for any E90 from 2006 all the way through to 2012. Now let me show you what I mean, see what the issue is. So when you open the trunk, it's in its upright position is fine, but the minute you just pull it down here, there you go, it just drops by itself. So I'm going to open the trunk, and this is the piece that I'm going to replace today, and on this side as well. Now this is a genuine BMW part, but BMW did quote me 146 New Zealand dollars for this one, for each side, that is. So that's about closing to $300. So what I'm going to do now is I've actually purchased a replacement part, which is pretty much the same part without the BMW badges on it. So I'm going to show you how you can replace this one. It's very easy, and you're not going to get your head slammed into the boot, especially if you hit this on your head. That is a price to pay, and you don't want that. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to pull this one out, and I'm going to replace it with brand new ones. Now this is the Stabilis one, which is made in Germany, as you can see, made in Germany. And this one is almost like the original one, except the badge on it. Now this one is purchased from FCP Euro, and I'll put a link in the description down below. Now without further ado, I'm gonna start fitting this, and consider subscribing if you haven't already, guys. So we'll start on this side first. So what you'll see is there's a little clip right here. You need to push that clip a little bit out, and with this side as well, you're going to push that clip out, and as far as possible you want somebody to hold it, but it should be fine because it's in its resting position. Now if we come closer, now you'll see there's a little ball bearing which is actually hooked into, and you just want to pop it out like so. And the same thing down here, you want to wiggle it out on the bottom, and that's out. You don't need to pull this one out. Somebody got too trigger happy and they just accelerated fast past me, so I'm just going to push this one in like so, click. And then you want to, there's some grease and dirt here, I would just leave it right here. That's fine, it helps lubricate as well, and that's done. So now I'm going to do the other side as well. So there you go, you've got the clip right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to angle the camera here so that people can actually see where that little clip is. The clip is right here where I'm pointing, and you just need to shove the screwdriver in there and push outwards. Alright, so I'm going to push this clip out and then push this one out as well, like so. And yeah, that one is a bit stuck, I guess because it's old, and you want to push it in until you hear a click. And the same thing over here, and that's clicked in. Job done, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And now what I want to show you is how strong it is now. So if I shut it, perfect, shuts. You can see how beautifully it opens, guys. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, heck, share it with your friends, guys. It's free, it costs you nothing. This video costs you nothing, and this particular one would probably cost you about $40 or $50 just for a mechanic to fit it. And here you can do it yourself completely for free.